Getting ready to do some body work, man, to the truck, man. Let me show you a couple things I had to buy to get ready for the process, man. Let's get into it.
Be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
All right, y'all, what's going down? It's your boy, let's share right 254, man. As you can see, we out here front yard with the truck. Truck don't get that much love, woo, 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 blah, blah, blah. Anyway, finna give the truck some love. As y'all know, James D. Got more is now in my area. We've been talking about collaborating. In order for us to collaborate, we have to find something that both of us do that can kind of come together. So we both kind of in the automotive and kind of both in the paint. I painted, well, I kind of did a little body work. So next thing we're gonna probably be doing is painting this truck. You'll see why we're painting this truck or why this is special if it's painting this truck when you watch both the videos from myself and James. He got more. Of course, before you paint, you got to prep. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. It is the hardest part, the most labor-intensive part. So because I need to practice, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scuff up this side. Well, I'm gonna eventually scuff up the whole truck, but I'm gonna start with this side, get it prepped, whatever. I'm going 320 where there is no rust. Anywhere there is rust, anywhere there is rust, I'm going 60 or 80 grit, getting rid of the rust, and then 320 in it, and then priming it, or 320, no, 60 or 80, get rid of the rust, prime it, then sand it 320, and we good to go. So this is gonna be a process, so I'm probably not finna time lapse it. I might time lapse it, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, let's just get into it. JI being dumb, man. Let me show y'all what I got right here. So as you can see, as I was sanding through, I hit like a different primer. At this point, I've just been doing the 320, and it's actually getting rid of a lot of the rust. I mean, I'll probably go back and hit some of these spots with 320, but I mean with 60 or 80, but that's, I mean, it's for most of the spots I was concerned about. Like I said, I gotta go back and hit that right there. For most of the spots I was concerned about, I gotta come back down here on the hood. But as you can see, a lot of this is cleaned up real nice down to the bare metal. All of this over here is cleaned up. Everything like that. So definitely want to get off in there and come back with that 80. That's what I think I'm gonna do now. Change over to the 80. Excuse me. Feel like I'm dying. Alright, so come back with the 80 grit, man. Hit some of these spots, but I mean it's going down the bare metal pretty easily. Especially want to be careful on your curves. You want to try to keep everything flat. You know what I'm saying? If you get on like an edge, it's going to take it down the bare metal that much easier like it did there. But like I said, I'm not really worried about it. But just a quick tip for you, if you're going to try to attempt this at the his, nah, So, let me get back to it. Alright, so as you can see, came back with the almighty 80 grit, and it talked to the truck, man. So now I'm just going back, covering up that metal with the primer. That way we don't got this bare metal exposed. can't wait to see this thing finish. It's gonna be lit. I think this part I'm gonna take off. I did some sanding up here. I think it went to the metal. Probably pull that off and spray it separately. But definitely want to get these spots. Might have to call up to the job and order some. I wonder who working today. Yeah, I mean, it don't necessarily gotta be pretty. Like I said, we just covering up the bare metal. And just gotta dry or whatever and do its thing anyway. I never really knew how much went into bodywork until I started fooling with this truck. As I've been sanding, I've been seeing like little stuff like that. That's not metal, that's Bondo. I definitely don't want to go any lower than I have to because I might find some shit. And this is not one of them bills. This shit ain't going to SEMA or no shit like that. As long as we stop the rust, that's all that matters. So I'm gonna call up to the store, see what we got. I'll probably order a couple more cans from another store. It's early enough so I can get them coming in from another store. And then I can pretty much I should pretty much have everything I need to go ahead and get this done. As I continue to work my way around the truck. As long as it's not going to dirt, as long as it's not going to bare metal, then all I need to spray it with is, or all I need to hit it with is the 320 and scuff it up. If there is rust and bare metal, like I said, I'm going 80 grit down to the middle, the metal, and then going back with this sandable primer. So the saga continues. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. Chevy 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so we up here on the roof now. As you can see, we started kind of sanding over here. Knocking some of this down the metal. Had some surface rust, something a little deeper. So we're gonna go ahead and continue moving across the front of the truck. I mean the top of the roof. Then come down like the back side. As you can see, I kind of worked my way down this side already. So just knocking it out and getting it done. So let's get it. Alright, so went bare metal, a lot of spots up here. Let's get it done and out of the way. I gotta go get the yeah. Definitely don't want to leave no exposed metal. You can see over here going down the bare metal on some spots. As you can see, that's what it's looking like before. It's looking like that, and then after you get it down and get it cleaned up, it looks beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful, y'all. So finish moving. We're doing the top of this, and then we got the outside of the bed and this side of the cab, and then shit, we can pretty much call it. So I'm gonna get back to it. One of prep. It started raining, like we got a little bit of rain just out of nowhere. Luckily everything had been covered up or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So all the spots that I had to go down the bare metal on, as you can see, been sanded down and then primed over. So I pretty much got everything scuffed up. I probably need to go over everything again with 320, but now that I pretty much got like all the spots that I'm worried about as far as rust, when I come back, I can pretty much focus on those spots versus, hitting the big spots. Or, excuse me, now that I've taken care of all the little spots that need to go down the bare metal, when I come back, pretty much all I'm gonna have to do is make sure that everything is 320, silky smooth, and then be good to go from there. So, and then there's some little spots, I'm gonna just have to get in there by hand and scuff them up. Probably go ahead and take this trim off. You know what I'm saying? Get off in there and scuff up like this. I really don't wanna like dig too deep, man, cause look like a lot of fucking work been done to this truck. Like I said, I'm not trying to make a no show truck. We just trying to preserve what we have. You know what I'm saying? And get it good to go. So, like I said, everything been sanded or whatever. We'll come back 320 everything one more again. Like it was something beautiful about the rust Well, not the rust, but the bare metal. Once I got it down to bare metal, it was a beautiful thing. I still got to get like the little insides of the truck bed. Eventually, I'm gonna have to get this whole damn tailgate. That'll be part two when we come back. Well, not part two, but day two. This is wrapping up day one. So, body work. This is why you cannot get a paint job for like $500. damn, just the price of the paint and painting your car. It's the prep work to go into it, and I definitely got respect for all the body people, auto body people that do this to make a living. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, it look kind of crazy and funky right now, but you know what I'm saying, it's just primer and stuff and getting sanded down. But like, I see the beauty because when it's to this point, I know that we almost ready for paint. You know what I'm saying? So still got to get up there around the edges. Well, the edge of the truck bed on that one not too bad, but on this side, I know did notice some rust and whatnot. So we're gonna get that all taken care of, and we'll be back in part two or day two.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.